Hello, welcome to Dan Multi Skills. In this video I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to remove and reinstall the graphics drivers. Whether you have an AMD or Nvidia graphics card, this video will work for both. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel, click on the bell icon to turn on the notifications for future uploads. Let's begin. If you open a web browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge or Firefox, and then just type the following: DDU. It stands for Display Driver and Installer. Press enter and then go to the very first page. It depends. Make sure you download it from the official website. I will put the link on the description to make it easier. Go to the guru3d.com, click on that, and now scroll down right to the bottom. It says download locations. I will choose the EU, United Kingdom, click, and the download will start. As you can see, it's downloaded. All you have to do, close the browser and then go to File Explorer, go to Downloads. As you can see, it's all you have to do, right click on it and then extract all. Now it will open another folder. If you double click on the DDU and then extract it again, by default it will create another folder, and all you have to do, go to that folder, double click on the Display Driver and Installer. It will ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just click yes. When you first launch, you will get a number of pop-ups such as like Display Driver and Install. All you have to do, close all these pop-ups. Now as you can see on here, it says select device type. All you have to do, choose whether you want to uninstall the audio or the GPU, but for this video I'm going to fully remove the graphics driver, so I'm going to choose GPU. So this software with DDU will work for audio at the same time. Just click on the GPU. It will automatically detect what type of graphics card you have, whether you have an AMD or the Nvidia. It will automatically detect it. All you have to do now is just click clean and restart. So what it does, it will fully remove the drivers, completely wipe it, and then it will automatically restart your machine. Once it's restarted, I will show you in the next video on how to reinstall and where to download the correct drivers for your graphics card. Once your PC or laptop rebooted and you've logged back into Windows, if you have multiple displays, let's say if you have more than 2 monitors or even 2 monitors, you will only get a display on one monitor. The reasons for that, because you've fully cleaned the drivers for the graphics card. This is pretty normal. There is nothing to concern with regards to that. All you have, after we've reinstalled all the correct drivers, you will get a display back on all other monitors. In order to know to see what type of graphics card you have, the easiest option is right click on Start, go to Device Manager, and then go to Display Adapters. As you can see on here, it should list what type of graphics card you have. Make a note of the make and model. For example, mine is Nvidia GeForce GTX 1050 Ti, and in order to download the correct drivers, I will put the link in the descriptions for both the Nvidia and the AMD. Make sure you just type in the make and model number and you should be able to download the correct drivers. If you open a web browser, since I have an Nvidia graphics card, I'm just going to the official website of Nvidia. Now if I go to drivers, just click all Nvidia drivers, choose the product type, for example GeForce. Choose the series. For example, mine is 10 series notebook. Please let me just make this very clear. If you have a laptop, please make sure you choose the notebooks, because there is a difference type of graphics drivers. If you have a desktop, you choose one without the notebooks. As you can see, Nvidia has separated it. and choose the product, for example minus 1050 Ti, and leave the rest by default. Click search and just hit download. Now click download again. As you can see, the download started. Please be patient because it's a large file. When I say it's a large file, if you have a slow internet connection, if you have a good internet speed, it should take less than 2 minutes. If you have a slow internet connection, let's say if you have like 17 megabytes per second, it can take up to 5 to 10 minutes. Once it's done, I will take you through on how to reinstall the graphics drivers. Now the file is downloaded. All you have to do is close this browser, go to File Explorer, then go to Downloads. As you can see, that's the drivers we've just downloaded it. All we have to do is double click on it. Once you double click on it, you will get again a warning to say, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just click yes and then click OK. What it does, it will extract the file. Now click agree and continue. You will have two options. You have the express installation, or you have the custom advanced. Just choose the very first one. It's recommended. Just click next. As you can see now, it will reinstall all the necessary drivers. Please be patient, this can take a little bit time, and the screen is gonna flicker a little bit. For example, the resolution will change, the icon on this desktop will change at the same time, but this is pretty normal. Please be patient while this is done. Once it's done, all you have to do, click close. And before you start using the machine, I would highly recommend you to restart the machine. It's always recommended, once you fully remove and clean the graphics drivers and then you reinstall it, in order for it to take effect, it's best to restart the machine. If you have any issues, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. I will try my best to respond to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.